Maghuhugas ako ng aming kinainan for breakfast. Tapos, at ako'y mag-garden at kung ano aking magagawa ngayong araw. So, keep on watching, guys! Maghuhugas ako ng plato. Aking mga aso ay maingay. Pag anong marinig sa labas, ayan. Ang tumaba. Ang laki ng braso. Ba't kasi kumain? Ngayon nga nagda-dance na ako. Niwa-watch ko na yung ano ko. Hirap talaga pag ano na. Ganito ang nagkakainin. Parang sarap kumain. Pero tinatry ko na magbawas-bawas. Pero minsan masarap kumain, you know. Ayan guys. Ako'y mag-getting ready. Kung napapansin nyo, lagi ako may suot na parang glasses. Reading glasses yan. Kasi minsan, di na talaga makaano yung mata ko pag ano. Kailangan ko na gano. Lagyan na reading glasses. Ayan guys. Ito yung aking ginagawa. Maghugas. This is the kitchen. Oh wow! Oh, that's a nice one. My God, it's a nice mango. Oh, did you wash your hand because you got a poison?
I didn't touch it.
Don't touch because the poison ivy is Yan si Che. Sayang, may nahulog. Wow. Yeah, because the wind, you know.
The wind should.
And maybe it's the.
They need water.
Yeah.
Trees need water.
You can put the water. I can.
Tonight.
Yeah,
Could be at
tonight.
nighttime.
Yeah.
Plus, so, yeah, she's just getting stressed out. Lack of water. Okay, this one here is going to fall off too.
What?
This one here is going to fall off.
Nahulog na naman. It's green na green siya. Ayan. Mahangin. You see the coconut there? Look at that. Go there.
This one here, what about it?
I gonna call Letty and Ate Pe to come over. We can have a coconut maybe this weekend.
You got a lot of them, or I think a lot of those are ready.
Yeah, I gonna call to Ate Letty and P on maybe weekend we can get that. Wow, windy. Ayan guys. Yan yung aming aso. Ayan. Yung aking asawa. Dilig ako. Ayan si Sweet Pea. Ayan guys. Hala, naman ng mangga yung asawa ko nahulog. Huh? Pero okay na rin siya. Green. Sayang naman kasi may nahulog din nung isang araw. So, ayan. Kainin ko mamaya. Masarap to sa bago. Guys, pupunta ako sa friend ko na Thailander. Tumawag at bibigyan ako ng mangga. Tapos dadaan ako sa friend ko. Bibigyan ko siya ng mangga. Kasi nag-grade si Ate Kati ng mangga. Ayan. Shoutout kay Ate Kati! Hindi naman malayo, malapit lang. So, kayo mag-alala guys kung nagdadrive ako. Malapit lang. Napakainit. Talaga. Ito naman ako sa kanila. Napakainit. Ano? sa aking friend na may farm. So, pupunta ako doon. Naku, yung mga lychee, ang dami na pupula. So, okay guys, see you a little bit. Guys, lakad tayo! Ayan! Super hot. Ayan. Nandito kami ng aking hobby. Huh? Right? Relaxing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. How did I meet you, sweetheart?
I have no idea. Probably found you on the street someplace.
Woohoo! Ayan, ganyan. 90 degree, right? Right
Yeah.
now? Oh my God, it's humid and hot. It's Florida, right? What is the purpose of I mean, you said
Purpose of what?
the guy that they put it in a.
It's called weather stripping.
Oh, okay. I never heard that they put it this morning.
Yeah.
Wow, that's why we sleep good. Wake up 9 o'clock.
No, when I found it, I asked him about an hour ago. I
Yeah.
said, shit, I was up. I was waiting for the VA to call and...
Itim-itim ko na. Ayan. Ito, my husband cut my bangs really, really short and I redo it so I look better. Right?
Yeah,
Because my husband, you want me look like ugly wife.
that's right.
Nobody's like me.
No.
Yeah. Nobody's a guy interested me. Right?
I don't care. They can have you.
Yan guys, ganyan asawa ko guys. Palabiro. Nasunog yun na kagabi, napaso. Nilagyan ko ng nilagyan ko ng aloe vera. Maganda siya guys, aloe vera. Pag napaso ka, ayan, maganda yan, nilagay ko. Nagtuyot na siya. Ayay. So, aking asawa, ayaw niya kuha ng pictures. Ayaw niya. So, hindi ko siya mapilit. So, dyan lang. Gusto niya lang ganito. Chika-chika. Ayaw niya yung masyadong sa social media. Ayan. Minsan, nakaw-nakaw na lang. Right, sweetheart? Are you tired?
No, it's just my back was hurting.
So why you not gonna go upstairs and relax in a recliner? Huh?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine here.
Are you sure? And guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, bell the button para kayo ay ma-notify sa mga susunod kong vlog at updated kayo lagi. Bye! Thank you!